So phase 1, exercise 1, straight lines, mathematics, question number 8. Find the equation of straight lines which passes through the origin and trisect the intercept of the line. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. So you can write what is the x-intercept. For x-intercept, a simple method can be put y is equal to 0. So x equal to 4. For y-intercept, if you want to calculate y-intercept, we put x equal to 0. So y is equal to 3. Or you can convert it intercept form, x upon 4 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. So this line is of this type. X is equal to 4 comma 0, y is equal to 0 comma 3. So this is this line. Now, as per the question, find the equation of the straight line which passes through the origin and the trisect the intercept of the line between the axes. So this is trisected. That means there will be 2 points. So I have to find equation of this line OA and I have to find equation of line OB. OA and OB, 2 lines will be there. So how to find point of trisection? This will divide in the ratio of 1:2 and this will divide in the ratio of 2:1, section formula. So what is the A point? A point you can calculate 1 into 4 plus 2 into 0 mx1 plus nx2, 2 into 0 upon m plus n, 3, comma 1 into 0 plus 2 into 3, 6 upon 3. So A point is 4 by 3 comma 2. So A point is 4 by 3 comma 2. So I can easily find the equation. What is the equation of this line? Equation of line OA passing through origin. So y is equal to x1, y1, I am taking 0. 2 upon 4 upon 3 into x minus 0. So this will go to top, this will cancel. So y is equal to 3 upon 2x. This is one line. Or 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. Similarly, I will calculate B point. What is the B point? Section formula again use for B point. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 8 plus 0 upon 3. This is 2 into 0 plus 3 upon 3. So this point is 8 upon 3 comma 1. So again equation of line OB. Y is equal to 1 upon 8 upon 3 into x. So this gives you 8y is equal to 3x. This will be another line. This will go to top actually. And 8 will come this side. So 8y is equal to 3x. This complete this. So thank you.